What is surprisingly illegal? 1. It's illegal to own more than 6 intimate toys in Texas. 5 is okay I guess, but you're on thin ice. 2. Children selling lemonade without a license. 3. In Germany it's legal to break out of prison, but not in your prison uniform because that would be stealing. 4. It's illegal to intimately pleasure a butterfly in Missouri. Do what you want with that information. 5. Pleasuring someone via your mouth is technically illegal in South Carolina, although I don't know how it's actually enforced. 6. Throughout Alabama it's illegal for a person to walk down the street with an ice cream cone in their back pocket. Back when most people got around on horseback, horse thieves would put ice cream in their pocket to lure horses away without being charged with stealing.